Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This weekend, my chair is squeaking so much, I'm so sorry. This past weekend, we reached the milestone of 25 subscribers. And listen, if we just do that 400 times over, we'll reach 1,000. And if we just do that 40,000 times over, we'll reach 1,000,000. Easy peasy. So anyways, a little less chaotic energy in this video. You'll be coming along with me to make some clay magnets. And that's it. I'm just gonna let voiceover me take over. Okay, did you guys like that transition? Anyways, we're gonna set the mood by lighting a candle and playing some Netflix. This is Sculpey III, that's the brand of oven-baked clay I use. Haven't tried any others, so this has been working well for me. We're watching The Office, so get ready for some snippets of Office quotes. These are just a few of the things that I've made in the past. Magnet, barrettes, and some COVID-19 relief fun pins that I made. These are a few of the ones that are left over, and this is my notebook with a bunch of doodles for ideas that I have for clay. Alright, we are starting out with a mug. And listen, I've mentioned I have hyperhidrosis before, which just means my hands are super sweaty and warm all the time, which I guess makes it easier to like shape the clay, which is kind of gross, but guess what? We're already done with the mug. Pew pew pew, 2 thumbs up. What's next? We're gonna make a dog. There we go. And coming up, you're gonna hear my first office outburst.
I ain't that strong, and I ain't that brave.
You Braveheart.
I ain't brave.
I Braveheart.
You Braveheart, man.
I love that scene. This is the letter opener that I used to help me shape some of my stuff. As you can see, I use very advanced tools. And guess what? Later, Eric pointed out to me that the dog actually looks like a cow, and I'm mad now because making a cow would have been really cute. But I guess next time, you know, it's fine. Dogs are cute too. Yes, it's fine. What's next? Let's make a planet. I've made a sun and a moon before. You know, it's time to try another celestial being, another celestial object. I guess it's easy. It's just making a disc and then the rings, you know? And coming up, you will hear a snippet of my favorite Office quote of all time.
Prove it. Let's see your penis.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Yep, can't get much better than that in The Office. Anyways, that's a chopstick. Yep. As like I said, really advanced tools when I'm making my clay stuff. And it looks like we're done with the planet. Let's make an onigiri next. This was around lunchtime and I was getting really hungry, but I'm kind of one of those people who once I start a project, I just cannot stop until it's finished. You know, so at this point I was like, I'm going all in with the clay. I don't need food, I just need clay. You know? Anyways, onigiri is really easy, just making a triangle and then making a little seaweed wrap for him. I'm gonna wrap him up in the seaweed, so cute. And at this point, it's in the afternoon, it's getting hungry. Really hungry, actually, but whatever. Onigiri's done. Next, let's make my Furious Uterus. You know, I made her into a sticker, and now I gotta make her into a magnet. So same thing. Oh, those are her ovaries, little ball ovaries. And I decided that I'd like attach her ovaries to her, you know, like her fallopian tubes to kind of make it look like they're hands on her hips. And to also kind of like reduce the chance of breakage, because with this clay, even after it's baked, it can still be kind of fragile and like brittle. So just keep that in mind. And I'm adding the details and she's gonna be done. And I'm gonna add a mouth soon. You'll see that later. I'm gonna add a big old mouth. Contemplating, because we're gonna make a butt because I'm 12 years old. Oh, no, there's a tea break. Having a tea break first. So the butt was really easy, actually. I'm just making a sphere, and I'm gonna cut that in half, and then use my own butt, I guess, as a reference to model, because I wanted to make this look really realistic. I worked really hard to make it look like my own butt. So as you can see, that's my butt right there. And I was really happy with it. I guess since we made a dog, we gotta make a cat too. Using my letter opener, but that didn't work out, so we're starting over. My sweaty hands. Yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy this voiceover. I really enjoy like process videos of things being made, but you know, maybe my voiceover isn't adding too much. Maybe you just want me to shut up. And we're gonna work on the garlic next. Gryffindor! Love an Office and Harry Potter crossover, you guys. Oh, and wait, someone's coming.
For me? Thank you.
Little noodle ASMR for you. But yeah, thank God for my mom to come in. I would not have eaten at all if she didn't come in. And the garlic's done. And last but not least, we're gonna work on a pizza. I was really just trying to use up the remaining clay that I had. So I'm putting everything that I have left into this pizza, making that crust. We're attaching that crust to the triangle slice thing. And we're gonna make toppings. So here I have some pepperoni. And it is looking so cute. And I don't know why I'm showing you that. What is that, Michelle? Okay. Anyways, we are done with the clay, you guys. Next, we gotta bake them in the oven at 285 for 15 minutes. And we're gonna check on that when it's done. Yay. And now we gotta let them cool. Oh yeah. And meanwhile, while they cool, I am going to take a mallet to some magnets that I have lying around. I just want the magnet part. I don't want the plastic that it comes with. So I guess you could say that I'm like upcycling these. We did it! I don't know if I recommend this method because I did break a few magnets, but anyways, low-key worked. It's time to paint. Alright, that is not coming out, so I'm gonna have to just like open it from the top. I use really cheap acrylic craft paint from Michael's. That's like $1, $1.50 per bottle. I may need to upgrade soon. I don't know, I guess it's been working for me, but you know, I kind of want to like try out better quality paints to see how that works. So here you can see I've marked kind of where I want the eyes and the details to be with a pencil. And I'm gonna start painting the garlic. In a few seconds, you will see me break my garlic.
Oh. I will have to glue that on later.
I should have known better than to make such like a thin, fragile piece of the garlic, but it's fine. I still love how it looks. Always start off with the lightest colors.
Hello, Meredith.
Big sigh. I apologize, I really need to work on my camera angles. You can see my hand is kind of just in the shot for everything, so I don't have too much good footage of me painting. And that's my butt. I'm really proud of it. That is my butt. And moving on to the pinks of the uterus. Yeah, I really wish I had better footage of me painting. And everything's done, you guys. Whew, they're all matte for now, and I don't know if you can tell that I'm really happy with this butt and this pizza. To go in for the details, I use a black Sharpie paint marker. And a red one for the little blush that I love. That's just my preferred way. Gives me more control than using a paintbrush. And as you can see, I fixed that sucker. For the gloss and to seal everything in, I use Mod Podge if I can open that. And I like to go in with 2 or 3 coats of thick, glossy, satin finish Mod Podge. And again, my hand is in all the shots. So I will be working on that in the future. That should have been a cow. I regret it. It's okay. It's fine. And look, that's our first coat done. And we gotta do the back. And after a few more coats, I just gotta let them dry, and they're looking so cute. These are the mismatched magnets I was talking about, just collected over the years. They're all different strengths. Some are a lot stronger and weaker than others, and that is the one I broke. But we're gonna make do. For glue, I used E6000 craft glue, and I gotta use pliers to peel off some of the dried glue. And we just kind of get to gluing, really simple. And for some of these, I had to use washi tape to kind of like hold them in place because the magnets started to slip as they were drying. Like, what? Get back on there. You'll see on the cat in a second how the magnet slipped. Excuse me, no. But yeah, I let these dry overnight and they're looking so cute so far. Ah. Oh yeah, look at these babies. And, you know, gotta do a fridge test. And they all held up. Yes. Since I'm 12, I really like the idea of just putting the butt on random objects in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had such a blast with me. I'll have everything that I used linked down in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.